Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Papa Bale, and this shaft is filthy, so I'm going to clean it up a little bit with some WD-40. The rest of what we got in here looks like just a couple drops. Clean it up. See, look at that. All that filth.
All the gunk on the shaft.
They really do get kind of dirty, you know. Huh. Is it on the table? I'm looking for my little wrench because I gotta tighten this nut. Damn, I thought I had everything. I thought I had it all. Maybe I got one in this bag right here. But yeah, we're going through the riggers, and I took the, I set it up so I could put my 8 magnet rotor on the center pole right here. But it's a vertical one, and I'll show you the difference here in a little bit. I just need to clamp this down. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for my wrench. I think this one will work. And that's my little 3D printer kit that they sent me with the 3D printer. I really do want to screw those in better. Anyway, let's take a look at the rotor over here, and this is how it's supposed to be with the Utron in the middle. We're going to make new stands for it, or we're going to actually make a new rotor, but this is just a prototype, like what would it be like kind of thing. And that's just me spinning it. The shaft is bent, so I'm glad it's just a prototype. But I don't know, it's fun to see how it would work. But the shaft, of course, is bent, so it's not going to be anything that I would like give to anybody. I did not see the bend when I put it together. It showed up after I put it together. And it makes sense too, because it was hella hard getting that pole through the middle, like all the way, man. So I don't blame it for bending on me. All right. So yeah. Let me make sure I'm doing this right.
Mm-hmm. The centering?
No, polarity.
Polarity first. We want it to levitate, not attract.
That's correct. At least now we do. So this is right. And go here like this. All right. So now that you're over there, I want you to zoom in on the rotor. I'm going to put a very small amount of voltage in for what we're doing here. 4.5 volts, 4.3 volts. Yeah, at 4.3 volts, we're drawing 700 milliamps. So it's not cheap, but it's not expensive either. You know, it's a give and take. Going pretty fast, I think. It is an 8-magnet rotor, so it's not going to go super fast, whatever we do. But I think that's a really good speed. It was like twice as fast as it was going up here. But as you can hear, there's a lot of friction going on there. Lots of friction. But I'm gonna continue working on setting up the thing again. I just wanted to test it out the other way, so I could see like all the stuff. Because with the stands the way they are currently, I couldn't see any of the magic happening. It looks literally like a white wall tire.
Yeah, yep.
And I just wanted to see that, but I couldn't get it going that fast with both of these coils. So I think, like for speed, I'm gonna cut them in half. So right now they're in series, and they're tri-filers or 4-filers. I'm gonna cut them in half and just have their bi-filer status. We'll see how fast we can get it going. All right, so closing up here. I'm gonna stack up these two magnets right here, and that'll be that. Thank you very much. Peace out. Have a good day. Please subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, join up. You want to mess around with some electromagnetism. Peace out. Bye now.